everyone, welcome to 5 minutes belly dance with me. Alright, 3/4 shimmy down consists of this walk. Alright, for example, I'm going to drop this hip down, okay, by bending my knee while straightening this leg and then pelvis drop. Okay, my weight is on the left side. Alright, as I bend my right leg, okay, and then I'm going to shift my weight to the right by stepping it to the right, straightening this leg, and then I'm going to do the pelvis drop with the hip down, tuck out my bum, and weight on my right. All right, so this is what this walk looks like. Okay, you basically bums out, weight is on the leg where your bum tucks out. Okay, the opposite side is down. Okay, so you have to bend this knee, right, and the leg is flat. You don't tiptoe. It should give you a feeling of heaviness. Okay, so down, weight is here, remember? Shift your weight and down. Now you drop your pelvis, your hip is dropped on the left side because you're bending the left leg, your leg is straightened so that your bum, now is your right bum tucks out. So from the back, it looks this way. So your bum is basically pushing out and out and out and out. Okay, so this is the walk. Now let's add the in-between. For example, let's start with the drop on the right side. My weight is on the left. I'm going to transition my weight to the right so that I can lift this leg and step forward, right? To do a step. So I bumped to my right hip, and then I'm going to lift up, contracting my oblique, lift it up, and then I'm going to put my leg down. It's going to be a flat down, all right? And make sure that your toes is still facing front. You don't want your toes to turn this way. You don't want to walk this way, right? So always make sure that your toes is slightly outward or forward, but it's never inward. Okay, so you drop your hip down. So now my right bum is actually pushing out because I'm doing the pelvis drop. Okay, so it's weight shift to my left now, bum. I'm going to lift it up, and then I'm going to place it down. When I place it down, I basically do a little bit twist and bring it down. You can do the down without the twist, but I find it will look nicer if you have the twist. All right, so you can do the twist, all right, and then you go bump. When you bump, you basically bump to the side, you don't bump to the front, okay? Bump to the side, lift it up, drop, and twist. And then go bump up, down, bump up, down, bump up, down, bump up, down. It's a shimmy, so you need to go faster. Make sure everything stays front. You don't want to dance this way because of the twist. All right, you can go front, go back, you can go around. Okay? We will start super slow. So you're going to go 1, pause, and the 2, pause, and the 3, pause, and the 4, pause. And then we're going to go slightly faster. All right, we're going to go and the 1, and the 2, and the 3, and the 4, and the 5, and the 6, and the 7, and the 8. After this, we're going to go even faster. All right, on the spot first, okay? We will go and the 1, and the 2, and the 3, and the 4, and the 5, and the 6, and the 7, and the 8. Okay? And then we're going to go front, and the 1, and the 2, and the 3, and the 4, going back, and the 5, the 6, and the 7, and the 8, and repeat. All right? Are you ready? Let's try with the music. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and 1, and the 2, and the 3, and the 4. Bring it faster, and the 1, and the 2, and the 3, and the 4, and the 5, and the 6, and the 7, and the 8. Pick up the feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk front. 2, 3, 4. Walk back. 2, 3, 4, and slow. 1, 3, and the 4. Going faster. 1, and the 2, and the 3, and the 4, and the 5, and the 6, and the 7, and the 8. Pick up the pace. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk front and back. haven't subscribed to my channel, press the subscribe and bell button. And see you again next time. Bye.